In this section, we are going to configure multi-layer switching on packet tracer, and we'll make a lab about it. We have 3 steps to accomplish, and in the first step, we need to assign the VLANs to the switch ports as shown in the figure. In the second, we are going to try to ping PC2 from PC1. And in the third, we need to configure multi-layer switch ping from PC2 to all other PCs. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna assign the VLANs to the switch ports as shown in the figure. Okay, I'm gonna do it and let's see what's going on. I'm opening my packet tracer. What I'm gonna do is interface fast Ethernet 04, switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10. 5 switch port mode access VLAN 20. And 6 will be in VLAN 30, right? Okay. The first step is okay. Let's try to ping PC2 from PC1. This is PC1 and this is PC2. Okay. I'll go to PC1. And I'm gonna ping 50.3. Okay, there's no ping. The request timed out. No ping. But I accomplished this step. Why no ping? Because this layer is acting as a layer 2 switch. Different VLANs cannot communicate each other. If I want to communicate different VLANs each other, and if I'm using just a layer 2 switch, I need also use a layer 3 device such as a router. Or I need to use a multi-layer switch capability switch. Right? Okay. In my packet tracer topology, I'm using a multi-layer switch capability switch, not just a layer 2 one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to configure the multi-layer switching capabilities on that switch, and I'm going to retry to ping from PC2 to other PCs, and I'm going to see what's going on. So on the multi-layer switch, the first thing I should do is activate enabling routing. Secondly, I'm going to create the VLAN interfaces, and I'm going to attach this gateway IP addresses to the VLAN interfaces IP addresses. Okay, let's go again. On this switch, what I'm going to do is first I need to type IP routing. By this command, this guy is anymore ready to make layer 3 things. Okay. Second, I'm gonna define the interface VLAN 10. And interface VLAN 10 will have an IP address of 40.1. Then VLAN 20 will have an IP address of 50.1, and VLAN 30 will have an IP address of 60.1. So I'm going to PC2 again. I'm opening my command prompt and try the ping PC1's IP address. Let's see if the ping is going correctly or not. And yes, as you can see that I'm receiving the reply packets from PC1. And let's take a look to the PC3 too. Oops, I'm sorry. Ping 60.9, I think. Yes, it's okay. That's really what I'm expecting to see. In the first step, I haven't configured a layer 3 IP routing on this switch, and so this guy behaved like a regular layer 2 switch. Then I configured the IP routing features and I create the VLAN interfaces as the default gateway on this switch, and after that the PCs was able to ping themselves. That's what I really want to see.